What would be your next destination if you had to pick one country? If I
No,
said, I'll give you tickets for a country tomorrow, where would you go?
oh, so it would be California, Florida.
Mhm. You don't want to go in the cold?
It is my second chance.
Yeah,
If
you
you
should try.
had, if you give the permission of the second ticket.
Oh, okay. Here's a second ticket.
Thank you. Hi.
Hi, good morning. Good
Yeah,
afternoon.
yeah. Good afternoon here.
I'm Veru from Canada. What about you?
Yeah, my name is Indrajit and I'm from India. And how are
Hi,
you?
good. I'm fine. Nice to meet you today.
Nice to meet you, ma'am.
Would you like to do anything special for your class?
Yeah, I want to make a smooth conversation with you.
Okay, that sounds great. So, would you like to start off by telling me a little bit about yourself? Maybe something about your personality?
Yeah,
Tell me
I am
three things about you.
I am studying engineering. That stream is electronics and communication engineering, and I switched
Okay,
to Cambly for improving my spoken English skill like a native speaker.
excellent.
Yeah, and also yeah, after my graduation degree, I want to some decent job. So that's why
Okay,
I want to sharpen my spoken English skill like a native speaker.
okay.
And for the
That's a
job
good plan.
purpose, I switched to Cambly.
Okay. And have you noticed improvement?
Yeah, a lot because I am using the Cambly over 1 month, and it is really good platform and amazing platform to me because I love a lot of tutors here, and I love
Mhm.
because I love to meet new people and learning from new cultures. So that's why it is a really lovely platform.
Yeah, I agree with you. I have a chance to meet different students
Yeah,
from all over the world.
yeah,
Good.
exactly. And who do you
Great.
live with, ma'am?
I live with my family. I have two children and my husband.
Wow, so you have two diamonds.
Yeah, I have two. They're 15 and 12. They're older.
Oh, oh, okay.
Yeah.
So they are my maybe brothers because I am 23.
Oh, okay. And what about you? Who do you live with?
I live with my uncle and aunt as well as elder uncle and elder aunt, also with my grandmother.
Okay, so you live with two uncles and two aunts and a
Yeah,
grandmother.
yes.
Okay. Oh, okay. And tell me about your house. What does your house look like? Can you describe it?
Yeah, it is second floor, and
Two floor. Does it have two floors or you live on the second floor?
I live in first floor.
Okay.
And my house is really big house, and it is situated by river.
Oh, great.
Yeah,
Can you go
that is
swimming in that river?
yeah.
Or it's too wild?
Sometimes, sometimes.
Okay.
And
Okay.
I can swim, so that's why whenever I am getting free time, then I and whenever the time is going to for bath, then I definitely go for that for swimming.
Oh, when you have free time, you go swimming?
Yeah,
Oh,
because I
okay.
love swimming,
Oh,
and
good.
it becomes my body fit and fine.
It keeps your body fit. Excellent. And how's the river? Is it like a small river or
Yeah,
wide or wild or calm?
it is Ganga. Do you know Ganga, the
Ganga?
holy river in India?
Could you write that in the chat
Yeah,
just so I could
exactly.
confirm if I know
Okay,
it?
here it is.
Oh, yes. Yes, I do.
Yeah,
Yes. Oh, okay. Oh, that's where you live. Cool. That's amazing.
yeah, exactly.
Oh, okay. And what else do you like to do in your free time?
And yeah, also I beside swimming, I love painting.
What kind of painting?
Watercolor. I use watercolor to paint.
Okay. And what kind of landscapes do you like?
Yeah, yeah. It is scenery, like urban as well as rural sceneries.
Mhm. And do you do this as a hobby or do you sell your paintings?
Yeah, it is my hobby just.
Do you have the paintings in your house?
Yeah, because it is far away to from me, so that's why I cannot show it. But next time I am sure to show it.
Okay. Okay, okay.
And
Great.
what do you do in your free time?
In my free time, I also like to swim.
Wow,
Yeah, I actually just started um, improving my swimming game. I started taking lessons again.
wow. Okay.
So yeah, just I enjoy it. It's a good activity, and like you said, it keeps you fit. So after
Yeah,
all these months
exactly.
of staying at home, I think it's a good it's time to start
And
getting
also,
active.
I love cycling as well as walking in the nature.
Me too, yeah. Do you have a mountain bike or what kind of
Just,
bike?
just simple bike
Oh, okay. Do you prefer to do these activities by yourself or with others?
with my friends.
Hmm. Yeah, it's
And
fun.
I love playing cricket.
Cricket.
Yeah.
Okay. I think a lot of people like playing cricket. I've never played it though.
Yeah.
Is it
And
fun?
yeah, it has really fun.
It's
And
a
I prefer to bat always.
Oh, okay. I've never I think I played cricket maybe 20 years ago.
Wow. So it was really golden moments, right?
Golden moment, exactly.
And
I,
ma'am, what the things
yes.
that make you happy?
Oh, the things that make me happy. I like cooking.
Wow.
I'm also a baker, so sometimes I
Oh,
sell my cakes if people order from me.
wow. So
Um,
it is really nice to
yeah,
hear.
mhm, I really enjoy it. I also
Yeah.
like to walk in nature. I live in Canada, so we have a lot of beautiful forests and lakes. So I like to go hiking and walking
Wow.
every day.
Oh, hiking.
Mm-hmm.
It is my dream to hike on mountain. If I
Oh,
go on the England, because I have know it that a lot of mountains there are there.
yes. Oh, you have to go. It's beautiful. It's very calming
Oh,
and
wow.
yeah. Yeah, there's just
And
something magical about hiking on a mountain or in the forest.
yeah, and
Hmm.
hiking, and also if I get a chance, then I really definitely for skydiving. Do you know skydiving?
Yes. You want to do that?
Yeah, in future
Oh.
if I get a chance.
So you like more extreme sports as well.
Yeah, I am adventurous.
Oh, okay. I think I used to be when I was younger, but I would never go skydiving. Uh, I'm afraid of heights.
Oh, so in my when I child, then I'm very afraid of height, but nowadays it is okay.
When you were a child, you were afraid of heights?
Yeah, of
Oh,
height.
okay. Mm. And now you're fine.
Yeah, yeah.
What are you afraid of now?
I'm afraid of, yeah, that is unfaithfulness.
Oh, okay.
It is
Well,
really deep meaning that unfaithfulness or bad people.
hmm, yeah,
And
that's
what the things that make you angry or irritating?
me.
Yeah.
Well, now that you're talking about unfaithfulness, I'm going to say it's people who kind of who I trust, but then it
Betray.
turns out, yeah,
Yeah,
that
yeah.
they
Betrays.
try to trick me. So, if you give, I think of that people who friends who um, are not loyal, I guess.
Yeah, exactly.
Mhm. But
And
I try not to get angry for no
so you are
reason.
really calm person, right?
Right now, yes. It's better for your soul, better for your
Yeah,
heart.
exactly.
Hmm.
Yeah, and feel positivity also.
Yeah, that's a good message. It's a good rule of thumb to follow.
Yeah.
What about you?
Yeah, that is unfaithfulness also and injustice,
Justice.
and someone forces me something that is wrong, but someone forces me to do that. So that moment makes me irritating also.
Mm-hmm.
And also
Yeah.
abusive of animals because I love animals.
Yes. Oh, yes. That makes me angry too. Any kind of
Yeah.
injustice. You're right.
Yeah,
Hmm.
exactly, exactly.
I wish we could live in a more peaceful world, but
Yeah, exactly.
it
All want.
starts. But it starts with good people. There are a lot of good people
Yeah.
on the planet. Mhm. So, what are
And
you going to do today?
if I, my dream is to visit USA or UK or Australia or South Africa because I
Oh,
love traveling also.
oh, okay. What would be your next destination if you had to pick one country? If I
Oh,
said, I'll give you tickets for a country tomorrow, where would you go?
oh, so it would be the USA.
Okay. Any particular state?
Yeah, California, Florida.
Mhm. You don't want to go in the cold?
It is my second chance.
Yeah,
if
you
you
should try.
have, if you give the permission of the second ticket.
Oh, okay. Here's a second ticket.
Thank you.
Yeah, have you ever seen the snow?
In television and in mobile, but not real in realistic way.
Oh, okay. Is that something that you'd like to see, or you're not too interested in that?
Yeah, I love to see the snow falling.
Mhm.
And can you imagine that when while falling snow and you are taking a cup of coffee or a cup of hot coffee or a cup of tea, it is sounds romantic, right?
Right. Yeah, I do that all the time every winter.
Wow, great. It is great.
It's very nice. It's very
Yeah, it is
peaceful.
insane, right? I got I gonna say that it is insane.
Innocent?
No, no, it is insane. Like, oh, it is crazy.
Oh, it's insane. Yeah.
Yeah, insane. Yeah,
Yes. Yeah. It's something so simple yet so beautiful.
yeah, really. Because
Yeah.
nature beauty is the finest beauty ever.
Mm-hmm. I agree with you. We need to take care of it and appreciate the little things in nature. The little things.
Yeah,
Yes.
and yeah, and what do you do besides teaching? And
Well,
also, yeah, you say that making cakes.
yes, that's my hobby that turned into a little business, but I'm a teacher. I've been teaching elementary school for 17 years. Um,
Wow.
right now, I'm
So
teaching
you have a lot
online.
of experience, right?
Yes, I do. But now I'm starting online, so it's a
Yeah,
whole nother ball game.
because of pandemic. Yeah, because of pandemic.
Yes. Well, here in Canada, we've started schools, but
Oh, wow,
parents
great.
were given options to start, so
Yeah,
little by little we'll see. But yeah, it's neat. I love teaching.
really. Teaching is a noble profession, ma'am.
I'm sorry, could you repeat that?
Teaching is a noble profession,
Yes, I agree.
and it is always respected from all.
Hmm. Yeah, and also the teacher has to be a good teacher, and
Yeah, exact.
yeah. Yeah, it takes a certain kind of person to be a teacher. You have to be very patient, and you really have to love your job to transmit that to your students.
Yes, ma'am. It is really correct.
It
And okay,
was
and
nice to meet you today.
yeah, obviously, it was really lovely to meet you. And oh, my time is running out.
Oh, okay.
Stay
Well,
safe, stay happy,
okay.
and see you soon.
See you again.
Really see you. Yeah,
Okay.
bye.
Bye.
Take care.
Take care as well. I'll see you.
Yeah.
I'll see you soon. Hmm.
Okay.
Well, we have 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8.
Okay. Okay. That's count on.
I have some kids who always
Love
like
that.
to count backwards. 3, 2,
Oh.
1.